from Manipur. Lin Laishram was born in Imphal, Manipur. She left home at very early age to pursue her studies. She represented her state at the All India National, and she was the first Manipuri to get selected for Tata Archery Academy. She won many awards, including Best Sportsperson of the Year, and also 1998 Junior National Championship. Due to many years of regular injury, and could no longer participate in sports, she moved to the Mumbai city to pursue her higher education. Lin graduated in sociology from Sophia College in Mumbai. She also pursued an acting course for 8 months at the Stella Adler Studio of Acting in New York. While she was in Mumbai, she was discovered by world-renowned modeling agency, Elite Models, and her tall structure was instant hit in the modeling world, and soon she was the center of attraction for all the big designers and photographers. She was the first runners-up of Miss Northeast in 2017. Lin played a noticeable role of Neema in Vishal Bharadwaj's movie Rangoon, opposite Shahid Kapoor, where she is a nurse and an agent of the British Indian National Army.